Hey YouTube, it's Queen Pam, Elon QP here, and I am here with the 49 and Market Forever mystery box. Had to look that up, and I'm going just now opening it with you. I looked and looked. Ooh, that's beautiful. The box is beautiful, so it might become something when I take all this stuff out of it. And I looked before I bought it to see what could possibly be in here, and I only found one video, and she asked if anybody else ever got one, if they would do, a comparison. So here we go. We have Spectrum, Gardenia, collection pack, 28 sheets, 3 each of 9 designs. So let's give a quick flip. That's probably, well, let's do it this way. Two, three. There's that one. Here's the back of it. So it looks like some sort of solids, a more open design on the front and a collage on the back, which is nice. This was about $49, I believe. And one of these packs, I don't know off the top of my head what the prices are of the items. Nice. Getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. That one is beautiful. And this is the last page. They give you, that's the bonus that you get. That's not the bonus that you get because the bonus is back here. And there it is. So that is the collection pack. And then we got a memory journal essentials. Even the packaging can be used. Could do that. You could do that. Oh, you definitely can use that. It's a folio with pockets. And then notebooks, 2 notebooks with labels. The paper is their hard paper. So I can go like that or the other way around. So that is the Memory Journal Essentials in Mariner. And I have these, which I could use around those notebooks. I got some flowers, punch, and there's 12 pieces. I got vintage artistry nature study spiral notebook set. Sorry, I had some dental work done. Mouth's still a little out of whack. And it is, I've never seen this. It's a spiral notebook with tabs. Never seen this one before. It's already ready for you to use it. And then there's another one. Let's see, this one is a about 5 1/4 by 5. And this I'm measuring in, down here on my glass board. 6 1/4 by 8. So 6 by 8. So they're paper. Boom. Look at that. You better believe I'll be using it. Hey, try not to do that. Then we have for the tickets, which I believe the other lady also got, maybe different colors. And here's what they look like. So there's some stamps and some tickets. We won't do all the colors because they look like they're exactly the same, but I will open this one. At least I think I will. Does not appear that I will, at least not with my nail getting the tape off, which is what I really want to do. But anyway, so these are the tickets that you get. And so I guess, so delivery to delivery. Those, let me see if I can get any closer, are the tickets that you get. And these are lightweight, so they'll be useful in lots of things. This color is salsa. And, okay, this tape should not be on everything. Okay? Just my thoughts. Yep, it's going to tear off some of it, but that's okay. Well, not really, but all right. So then you have these. Will we see the 16 again? So that's the repeat. Are you going to focus for me? Guess you're not. About now. There we go. Nope. Anyway, so 4 colors of that. In salsa, fern, sunbeam, and pewter. So a nice neutral is always a good thing to have. And then the stamps. See if I can't just get that tape loose. Don't know if it will focus. There it is. That's your repeat. So again, in the 4 colors, lovely. Love these. Probably, I think, already have pewter, but maybe not some of these. And I'm pretty sure not the green. Green is my least favorite color. Lace washi tape. And this is eggplant. Those are they. And there is a cutter in the bottom. Lovely. Letterbox washi tape. This one is sealed. Let's get you unsealed. And it's just one giant washi, which will be great for bookmaking. I would roll it out if it would let me. Here we go. It's very sticky. Yeah, very sticky but forgiving. And it keeps going, and I can't keep unrolling it because it's very difficult to come loose because it's very sticky. And actually, I think I want that for when I'm using it on a book. All right, so this one is Curator's Letterbox. And then washi tape stickers. This one is Vintage Artistry Everywhere. And I believe they come off individually. In fact, I'm pretty sure that they do. Okay. Yep, you're coming off. Trying to leave you on there. So again, tape that I don't really appreciate. There was one design, but he stuck to the tape. And here we go. So, everywhere. This one is postage stamp washi from Gardenia. And it's even got a way for you to pull it out once you get it started. If I don't ruin the box. And they're little postage stamps. Come on, focus. Let me just go that way because I see today and hello and best ever. And it keeps going. And then I got Christmas Spectacular chipboard frames. Now I love red, so I'm real happy to have a red set. And it does not look as though it's very Christmassy. So like there's no holly or anything. Awesome. Awesome. Next up, Curators. Curators Essential Remnants. Never saw this before. That's the paper on the back, the packaging. Really big pieces, at least. This big piece is, 8 by 8-ish. Nice. The Rouge card kit. Always wanted to try one of their card kits, but have never bought one. So you get envelopes, rub-ons. Look at that on the packaging. So you get rub-ons with the stick. So it looks like 2 sheets of rub-ons, some envelope seals, some card bases, and envelopes. Nice. All right. And then I got rub-on transfer sheet. Viken. I don't know if that's the correct way to pronounce it, but there's just one and you can see it, so I don't have to open it. Well, you can't see all of it, but close enough. Ooh, and then I got this really nice envelope with all the paper in it. I don't know that she got an envelope in hers. And I'm going to pause and count it, and then I'll show you. All right, so they're definitely different because I got 20 sheets of cardstock and she got more than 20. She got almost 40. So, yeah. Anyway, so here we go. This is Rouge Colored Foundations 2. Rouge Tender Moments. Solids 1 to Gardenia. Rouge Sweet Nothings. Ooh, I did say I love red. Did I not? Plum Grove Flourish. Plum Grove Flowerscape. Ochre Paper 5. Teal Paper 1. Lavender Paper 3. Ochre Paper 4. This box is clearly worth it. Ochre Paper 1. Teal Paper 3. And I got this from scrapbook.com. I didn't say that. Ochre Paper 2. Teal Paper 2. Rouge Color Foundations 3. Plum Grove Blossom. Plum Grove Colored Foundations 4. Rouge Devoted. Painted Foundations Array. Nice neutral. And another of Painted Foundations Array. All right. And so that brings us to the end of the box, and it's a beautiful box. So I will definitely be keeping the box. I don't believe much or any hardly of their 12 by 12 papers because I opted to buy the 6 by 8 because I'm more of a card maker. But I love this little envelope. It'll be really nice if you're traveling somewhere. And so as always, I leave you in the hands of the Creator. Be blessed.